Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to cartoonify your image using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now open the app and sign in. Once you select create a new design option, on the bottom of your screen you can see various options. Scroll it and find apps. Under apps, you have to look for Cartoonify. Then it's gonna suggest the Cartoonify options. Cartoonify and Cartoonist, you can select any one of them. I'm gonna select Cartoonify. And now you have to choose a file or photo you want to cartoonify it into. I'm gonna select a picture from a gallery and select done. It might take a few seconds since it's AI. Also make sure your internet is very stable. That's how you cartoonify your image using AI in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.